Hello students, now we are going to see about comparison of amplitude modulation and frequency modulation and phase modulation. First one, in amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the carrier signal is varied with respect to the modulating signal. It is called it as amplitude modulation. In AM, the frequency and phase is constant. Next, in frequency modulation, the frequency of the carrier signal is varied with respect to the modulating signal, that is called it as frequency modulation. Here amplitude and phase is constant. Next, in phase modulation, the phase of the carrier signal is varied with respect to the modulating signal, that is called it as phase modulation. Here the amplitude and frequency is constant, so that both FM and PM signal do not change with modulation. Next, modulation index of AM. Modulation index of AM is defined as the ratio of maximum amplitude of modulating signal to maximum amplitude of carrier signal. That is, simply we can say that MA is equal to VM by VC. The modulation index of AM cannot be changed, but in FM or PM the modulation index can be varied to obtain greater signal to noise ratio. And number 3, AM signal have an envelope that is used to demodulate the modulating signal. That is, AM modulated signal have a smooth curve outline that is used to demodulate the modulating signal back. In FM or PM signal does not have any envelope, and the demodulator need not respond to amplitude variation, because FM modulation it respond only for frequency, in PM modulation it respond only for phase. And next, AM signal occupies lesser bandwidth because the bandwidth of AM signal is equal to 2 FM, but here FM or PM signal it occupies more bandwidth. In communication system, bandwidth occupancy should be lesser, then only it is that effective communication system. So AM it occupies lesser bandwidth, FM or PM signal it occupies more bandwidth. Next, AM signal are more susceptible to noise. So susceptible, it is meaning for susceptible is that quickly affected by noise. So AM signal it is easily affected by noise because information stored an amplitude variation rather than frequency variation. Here FM or PM signals are less susceptible, that is, compared with that AM signal it is less susceptible to atmospheric noise because information stored as frequency for frequency modulation, information is stored for phase as a phase modulation rather than amplitude. And modulation can be accomplished at low power levels or high power levels at AM modulation, but in PM or FM modulation, modulation can be accomplished at low power levels. And last one, amplitude modulation transmitter it uses class A amplifier or class B amplifier due to its linearity requirement, and FM or PM transmitter can use efficient class C amplifier since amplitude linearity is not a concern. Thank you.